just want to say goodnight, Mommy, or have fun.
Say bye. Good night.
Bye, good night.
Tom, say good night to Mommy. It's a video. Say good night, Mommy.
Good night, Mommy.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Blow her a kiss. Say night, Sophie. Say good night. Good night, Aunt JoJo. Vince, say good night, Aunt JoJo.
Good night, Aunt JoJo.
Say thank you for having me.
Thank you for having me. And
Bye-bye.
thank you for bringing me home.
Say thank you for my birthday present.
Thank you for my birthday present. It's so good.
Soph, say thank you for my bubbles.
Thank you, Bubbles.
Give Vinny a kiss.
There we go again. Yuck. Do it.
Give Thomas a kiss. Go get Thomas a kiss. Hurry up. Hurry up. Go get Thomas a kiss. Give him a bachetto. No? Oh, go give him a kiss. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. He didn't mean it. It's okay. Get up. It's okay. He didn't mean it. Give her a kiss. He's hurt. He wants to give her a kiss. You don't want to give him a kiss? All right. Say goodnight, Aunt JoJo. Good night, Joe.